Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Dodge Charger's engine oil. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a 13mm or 15mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and securely supported by jack stands. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from hot oil and potential splashes. Proper preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now that we are prepared, let's drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, usually a 13mm or 15mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath the plug to catch the used oil. Carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing all the old engine oil to flow out completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Ensure the oil has fully drained before proceeding to the next step. With the old oil drained, it is time to replace the filter and plug. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter by turning it counterclockwise. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it is snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, reinstall the drain plug securely, but be careful not to over-tighten it, which could damage the oil pan. Our final step is adding the new engine oil and performing a crucial check. Refer to your owner's manual for the specific oil type and capacity. Many Dodge Chargers require 7 quarts of 5W20 synthetic oil. Slowly pour the new oil into the fill port using a funnel. Start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off and check for any leaks around the filter and drain plug. Finally, verify the oil level on the dipstick, adding more if needed to reach the full mark.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.